Friend of me is Blackview A90, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, go into Devices Settings. Now scroll down, choose Security and tap on Face Unlock. After that, you need to enter your login method and choose More at the bottom right corner. Then choose Agree at the bottom right corner as well and tap on Start over here. Remember to keep your face in frame. Now you need to select Done over here and click on Home button. Following that, when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!